Did you know there's a cosmic highway in space? Scientists discovered gravitational superhighways that allow objects to travel across the solar system at astonishing speeds. Did you know there's an entire planet made of burning ice? Gliese 436b defies the laws of physics. It's covered in a type of ice that stays solid even at 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Extreme gravity forces the water molecules so tightly together that they can't evaporate, no matter how hot it gets. These hidden pathways created by the gravity of planets could let future spacecraft ride the currents like an interstellar shortcut. Did you know you'd fall through Saturn if you tried to land on it? Saturn has no solid surface. If you jumped in, you'd sink deeper and deeper into the gas giant, being crushed by insane atmospheric pressure until you became part of the planet itself. Did you know space can boil and freeze you at the same time? If you stepped into space without a suit, the lack of pressure would boil your blood, while the freezing temperatures would turn your body into a popsicle. That's why astronauts' suits are basically portable life support machines. Did you know there's a giant space cloud made of alcohol? Sagittarius B2, a massive molecular cloud near the Milky Way's center, contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. If we could somehow tap into it, it would be the biggest cosmic party in history. Did you know there's a star that acts like a cosmic lighthouse? PSR B1257 plus 12 is a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star that emits beams of radiation. It flashes on and off perfectly in sync like a lighthouse guiding lost ships through the universe. Did you know black holes can spaghettify anything that gets too close? If you fell into a black hole, the extreme gravity would stretch you like a noodle. Scientists literally call this spaghettification, because that's exactly what would happen to your body. Did you know a planet made of pure diamond exists? 55 Cancri e, a super-Earth 40 light-years away, is believed to be covered in diamond due to its carbon-rich composition and extreme pressure. The entire planet is worth more than all the money on Earth combined. Did you know Earth once had 2 moons? Scientists believe a second, smaller moon collided with our current moon billions of years ago, creating the lopsided lunar surface we see today. Did you know there's a planet where it rains rocks? Exoplanet K2-141b has an atmosphere made of rock vapor. Instead of water, it has lava oceans and rock clouds. And when it rains, it literally rains molten rock. Did you know the largest volcano in the solar system is 3 times taller than Mount Everest? Olympus Mons on Mars is a volcano the size of Arizona. It's so big that if you stood at the base, the summit would be beyond the horizon. Did you know that the moon is shrinking? NASA discovered that the moon is slowly collapsing in on itself, forming cliffs and ridges as it contracts. Eventually, it could crack apart like an old basketball. Did you know galaxies can have cosmic fireworks after collisions? When 2 galaxies collide, the energy causes millions of new stars to be born at once. This process is so powerful, it's like a giant cosmic fireworks show that lasts millions of years. Did you know a planet in our galaxy is darker than coal? TRES 2b reflects less than 1% of light, making it the darkest known planet. It's literally blacker than any material on Earth. Did you know that if 2 pieces of the same metal touch in space, they fuse together? This is called cold welding. With no oxygen in space, metals don't develop an oxide layer, so they just merge into one solid piece when they touch. Did you know you could survive for a few seconds in space without a suit? Contrary to movies, you wouldn't instantly explode. You'd lose consciousness after 10 to 15 seconds, and your body could last about a minute before permanent damage. Did you know a day on Venus is longer than a year? Venus rotates so slowly that 1 full day lasts 243 Earth days, while it takes only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Did you know a black hole in our galaxy is aiming deadly radiation at us? V404 Cygni, a black hole 7,800 light-years away, emits powerful beams of energy directly toward Earth. But don't worry, we're safe for now. Did you know there's an entire galaxy racing toward us at 670,000 miles per hour? The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way. In 4 billion years, our 2 galaxies will smash together, forming one giant new galaxy. Did you know there's a planet that orbits 3 stars? Exoplanet HD 131399AB has 3 suns in the sky. If you lived there, you'd see shadows from 3 different angles every day. Did you know that there are ghost particles passing through you right now? Neutrinos are tiny, nearly massless particles created by the sun and exploding stars. Billions of them pass through your body every second, but you'll never feel them. Did you know that Saturn's moon Enceladus might have alien life? Its underground ocean shoots massive water plumes into space, and NASA found organic molecules in them, one of the strongest signs of life beyond Earth. Did you know the entire universe might be inside a black hole? Some scientists theorize that our universe itself is inside a supermassive black hole, and the Big Bang was just the moment it was born.